Today's Partners in Healthcare segment is sponsored by Always Best Care.
Well, their main goal is keeping seniors in their homes for as long as possible with non-medical in-home care services. And if the time comes, Always Best Care helps seniors find the best fit outside of their home, wherever that may be. Lynn Hancock with Always Best Care of Richmond is here with us this morning. Welcome back, Lynn.
Thank you very much, Jessica.
Nice to have you. Let's remind everyone what Always Best Care is all about.
The primary objective for Always Best Care is to assist seniors to stay in their home, whether that's their home they've lived in for 50 years, or if that's a senior community or an assisted living that they're living in currently today, to allow them to stay there and age in place for as long as possible. We do that with in-home care services, like personal care and companion care, sitter services, and then we do a senior housing consultation, complimentary senior housing consultation, if someone does have to find an assisted living community to move into.
So a couple of important points to highlight here. At home, whether you've been in your home for 50 years or maybe you're now at an assisted living facility living there, and that's home. You have services that come in, the personal care and then the companion care as well.
That's correct. By allowing, if someone lives in a senior community, an assisted living community, there are times that they may need a sitter to come in and sit with them. They may still need additional attention to allow them to stay there rather than to go into a skilled nursing facility. And that type of thing. And
these services are available from an hour a day to 24 hours a day.
That's correct. That's correct. We do provide, we don't have 4-hour minimums, which is very common in the marketplace. We will allow 1 hour to 24 hours.
How do people pay for this? How does that work?
Primarily, we take private pay. Medicare does not pay in most cases for in-home care. And that's why we want to make it affordable by allowing people to have smaller chunks of time.
That really helps out. So those are very important services. But another component to Always Best Care, as you mentioned, is this consultation. When it's time maybe to find a community that's right for you, your team works to find that match.
That's right, Jessica. We actually see that people may decide that they cannot no longer stay in their home. They don't want to maintain the home. And assisted living communities are not the nursing homes of old. And people hear senior community or assisted living and they immediately think nursing home of old, that I'm going there and I'm going to lay in the bed all day. Some of these places are like cruise ships. They have stuff to do from morning till night, but there are over 80 assisted living communities in the Richmond area, and determining which one of those fits your budget and your needs and your lifestyle and location preferences can be daunting. And that's where we come in. We will sit down with the family and go through what their budget is, what their requirements are, and we will narrow it down and take them personally on a tour of communities that fit their needs.
And this is not of cost to the families that are looking for the consultation?
No, it's a complimentary consultation for the families, and the way that we are compensated is by partnerships that we've developed with the assisted living communities, and they pay us a commission or a referral fee. Similar to a real estate agent.
Absolutely, and it's very important because it's not one size fits all. And as you mentioned, with over 80 different communities, there are a lot of different personalities that those communities have.
Yeah, absolutely. Different personalities, different decor, location, activities. So you really have to find out what the person, you have to do a custom fit for each individual. And that's where we come in, because we've toured the communities, we've developed relationships with them, and feel very comfortable referring anyone that we get to a place that I would refer my own parents to.
You've been there and you visited and you know. Well, thank you, Lynn.
Right.
I appreciate it.
Learn more about Always Best Care Richmond, one of your partners in healthcare, by visiting their office at 4870 Sadler Road, Suite 300 in Glen Allen. You can give them a call at 368-3200 or visit online, alwaysbestcarerichmond.com.